Hi there, in this short video, I'm going to show you the code that I tried to work it out in the previous video about lists, and it didn't work out. So I need to show you where is the problem, that when we try to make a loop around a list and print out all the words that have letter A, it didn't work out because the lists, I have it in the previous video, that has mix of items. Some of them are strings, some of them integers, some of them Boolean, so it didn't work out. But this time I changed the list to have only strings, and here is the list. So you can see the list has all of the 5 items are strings. However, some of them they have a letter and some of them they don't. And now what we need to do is print out all the items that have letter A in the middle. So here, if we print, it will show me only 2 items, A, B, C, and male, they have letter A in the middle, and then I print out the new list. So I hope between the previous video and this video to learn how to do all the functions of the lists. And if you have any question, please let me know. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.